Would you like a cute hanging light but there's no power plugs around? This is not a problem. I picked up this beautiful hand-woven Ghanaian lampshade from Aarven and I'm going to use a rechargeable light inside. But first let's have a look what we're going to use to hang it from. So I got my stash of paracord, kind of liking this black lace. Or maybe this patterned one. I think we need to have a little try and see what looks best. Nah. Maybe. Could be. I think we're on to a winner. On some scrap piece of cardboard, I traced the light. Then you're gonna cut this out. And you're gonna need 4 of these circles. On 2 of the circles, I poked a hole in the middle for the cord. Then I glue them together. It does make more sense to do this the other way around. So you glue the 2 together first and then you poke the hole. But hey ho, I done it this way around. Push the cord through the hole, or in my case the lace. And you're going to tape it in place. Then you're going to apply more glue so you can put your 3rd circle on top. As you can see, I cut out a little notch. This is just so the lace sits more flat within the circle. Apply more glue and you stick your 4th and final circle on this little base. USB lights come with little magnets so you can attach them. So it's going to stick the magnet into the middle of your cardboard circles. Mine came with this protective film that's over the magnet, so it's going to peel that off. And your light is ready to be attached. To give the lamp a little bit more interest, I'm going to apply some of these wooden beads on the string. You can use any color bead or pattern that you like. And I think it'll be quite nice as well to fill the whole string with wooden beads. But I just did a few little patterns and now all that's left to do is make a little loop so I can hang my lamp. Just a simple knot. Then you cut the string and you feed the string through your lampshade and your lamp is ready to be hung. I have a little hook that I screwed into the paneling of my cupboard. But to hang it you can use a simple screw as well, or maybe one of those self-adhesive little hooks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and have a look at all the other videos I have here on the Handmade Home channel.